Hello everyone. This video will show how to solve this classic work problem without having to find for LCM. So we're gonna have the fastest way. So the problem says that Cheryl can paint a house in 10 hours while CJ can paint the same house in 15 hours. If they work together, how long will it take them to complete the job? So we're gonna find the rate that each of these girls are able to complete the same job of painting the house. So let's start with Cheryl. So Cheryl can paint the house in 10 hours. So we can go ahead and say that she can paint 1/10 of the house in 1 hour. Well, on the other hand, since we say that they're working together, so we put a plus, CJ's rate is that she can paint the house in 1/15 of the house in an hour. And our task is to determine how long will it take them if we combine them together. So that would be 1 over x. So this is the equation that we're going to use to solve this work problem that we have up there. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this equation down here. So what we do here is we will use the giant one to solve this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the first fraction here with a 1 in a form of 15 over 15. So this 15 over 15 is actually 1. And I got this from here. And I'm going to multiply the second fraction with 10 over 10. So if we say 10 divided by 10 is 1, and I got that from here. I'm not multiplying anything here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just multiplying 1 to each of them. Now remember, if we multiply 1 to any number, it's not going to change it. So we're not multiplying anything on this side right here. So this left side of the equation would come out 15 over, that's 1 times 15, 10 times 15 is 150, plus 1 times 10 is 10 over 150 equals 1 over x. So that we can go ahead and say that they already have the same denominator. We can go ahead and say that their common denominator is 150. And we're going to add these two together. 15 plus 10 is 25, and that is equal to 1 over x. What we do next is we will cross multiply these two, and we should be able to solve for x. So if we do that, we should be able to come up with this equation. So first, 25 times x is equal to 1 times 150. So simplify this further. This is 25x equals 150. We want x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 25. Divide this by 25, so we can cross that out. Our x then is 150 divided by 25 is 6. This tells us that both Cheryl and CJ can paint the house in 6 hours if they work together. So I'm going to go ahead and write that statement down here. So that is how we solve this classic work problem.